Good grief. Must be constipated or something. Maybe he had that burrito. Dang it, dude. Are you alright in there? Oh gosh. Yeah. I think he's constipated and stuff. I can actually hear him in the bathroom. Oh my gosh. That is so disgusting. I'm gonna go check up on him. Hey. You alright in there? Great. Probably ate too much Taco Bell the last couple of days. Good grief. We got some Pepto-Bismol if you need any. It's above the toilet and stuff. Good grief. Crapping like crazy, I tell you. Dang. What's going on, you guys? Jonathan Baker here. Somebody's in the bathroom, just crapping their heads off, I guess. Man. Dang, dude. Yeah, I think he's constipated and stuff. Hey, you alright in there? Yeah, I don't think. I think I better leave him alone and let him tend to his business and stuff. He literally is just crapping and stuff. Alright, well, looky here, guys. Got something good. Alright. I'm hungry. Time to eat. Oh.
Donkey, take this.
Oh my goodness, this is funny. I'm gonna call this episode Weird Noises in the Bathroom. That's hilarious. Okay, I need to eat my dinner. It's getting cold.
Hurry up and go check it out. It's scaring the kids.
It's like there's on my dead body. I ain't gonna check it. That sounds like some demonic aliens. Shit.
Fine, I'll go check it out, you big wussy.
Oh gosh.
Alright. Wait, what is that? What the hell is that, a donkey? Why does he have 5 cactuses?
Oh god, this is hilarious.
What's all that noise, honey?
The alien donkeys with their 5 big old cactuses.
Five huge cactuses. Oh god. This is getting funny.
Alright, Antoine. Just makes you happy, isn't it?
What the hell are you talking about?
So funny.
Take that donkey off the roof. He keeps getting the chicken coop.
What'd you say?
The donkey keeps getting the chicken coop. Yeah, shut the hell up, you donkey. It's just a dog.
Oh gosh. Weird noises in the bathroom. You can actually hear them in there. Oh gosh.
It's like definitely makes you just
Oh gosh, this is funny.
Who the hell wants you at you crazy, son? I know that. I know. Why don't you should be? Well, hell, I wouldn't even have you in jail.
What the heck is that noise? Sound like two people arguing.